Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's do it. So welcome back guys. Today we're going to be talking about the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is one of those cameras that I've been thinking about for a while. I kind of discarded it. I felt like it's a camera that would be nice to have, but it's not something that I needed. But recently, during Black Friday, I got a really good deal on it. So I figured, what the heck? It's got some really cool features that that you can do with a DSLR or mirrorless camera, but it's a lot of effort. I will be testing it out over the next couple of weeks. I'm really interested to see how some of these features that are in here actually come out in real world situations. Okay, so just looking at the box before I open it up, it's a 12 megapixel camera. It does 4K 60 and it goes down 33 feet. But the main reason why I got this is for the hyper smooth, guys. For the hyper smooth, I've seen some videos online. It looks good. Let's it says gimbal like, so gimbal like stabilization. Definitely be testing that out. If this works well, it might be a permanent fixture in my backpack. Here's kind of all the features that GoPro thinks is going to sell this baby. 12 megapixels, 4K 60, 240 180p. That I'm going to test out. I'm interested to see what the quality of that. 10 meters or 30 feet underwater. I guess that's voice command. It's got a touch display, 8x slow-mo. It's got GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, which is, I think, the best selling feature on this camera if it works. And it's got live streaming. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna open this box up. Let's see what's inside. There we go. That was not the easiest thing to get out. So that's the GoPro right there, guys. I'm gonna take this off. It's got this little remove thing here, so I can go ahead and unscrew that. Take this camera off. Heads up. There's one thing you're gonna want to keep, guys. Before you guys actually throw this stuff out, you're gonna want to keep this little top plate. It's gonna come in handy at some point. To actually get this off, you lift it up, you squeeze it, and you push it out. This you can use on your other mounts, but this actual thing here, I would take it off the box. You can screw it somewhere on the wall. It becomes an extra mount that you can just have a fixed GoPro camera on. So definitely keep this. Do not throw this out. Let's see what's inside this box. GoPro Plus warranty card. Oh, little manual. Ooh, GoPro stickers. Manual. I feel like in 2018, if you create a product that actually needs a manual, that actually needs an instruction booklet, I feel like you failed in your UX department. So there's that. Mount. Like I said, this thing here is basically the same thing as this thing here. So keep this, take it off the box, put some screws in it, put it on the wall, and whenever you need to, just stick a GoPro in there and you have a GoPro mount. USB-C cable. Another mount, battery, and that, my friend, is all. Let's go ahead and take the battery out. Okay. There's one thing I hate when you get a camera and you don't actually get a charger with the camera. That really annoys the hell out of me. I mean, you gotta actually have to put the battery into the camera and charge it, or you have to buy an external battery charger. Damn you, GoPro. Woohoo! Now here's the puppy that we've been wanting to have a look at. This is the GoPro. It's still in the cage. Let's go ahead and nope. Unbuckle that. Push it out. Dang, dude, this is tight. Boom. Should I turn this on or should I charge it first? Let's see if it comes with any power. So people that on holiday, they buy one. Will it turn on without charging it? Let's take a look. There we go. Woo. GoPro Hero. Oh man, out of focus. 7 Black. The battery off the bat, I've got 12% left. If you buy it and you want to use it straight off the bat, you can probably get a few shots out of it. I don't have an SD card in there, so I'm not going to do anything with it. I just want to take a look. It actually looks pretty good, I mean, from a GoPro. So I think that's going to be it for now. Until next time, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be taking this camera out, doing a lot more tests with it. Mainly because I'm thinking about, and I'm probably going to take this camera with me on an upcoming trip. I'll be heading out for a while. If you want to know more about the trip and about what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of months, smash that subscribe button, come back. You're going to see a lot more videos on the GoPro. You're going to see more videos on my other equipment and my adventures. Until next time, guys, have a great day and go out and shoot, guys.